Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically purchase the same item your friends wear on Roblox essentially. So I'm just going to go and click on my own profile and then select view full profile or select the items there. And currently wearing, you'll be able to see like what items they're wearing, including the kind of like animation that they have here. So I'm going to select, for instance, I want to purchase the same headband. So select this and then you'll be able to purchase it here. And that is pretty much how you can kind of wear the same thing as your friends on Roblox. I mean, don't copy it like item by item for item. But that is it. Basically, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.